Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share an exciting new airdrop with you. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel for regular updates on highly profitable airdrops. Let's get started. This airdrop is launched by YALA, a platform that's gaining traction in the crypto space. If you're not familiar with YALA, it's a tool that connects Bitcoin to various ecosystems, allowing you to take loans, earn interest, and much more. YALA Finance has already raised $8 million from top companies like Polychain Capital, Ethereum Ventures, Hashkey Capital, and Galaxy. How to join the YALA Testnet airdrop. Today we'll join the YALA Testnet airdrop. By participating, you'll be rewarded with YU tokens. The process is simple, and I'll guide you through each step. Connect networks. First, you need to connect both the Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum networks using MetaMask. Create UNISET Wallet. If you don't have a UNISET Wallet, visit their website and install the Chrome extension. Set up a new account by entering a password and saving the secret recovery phrase. Afterward, choose your Taproot address, which is crucial for the testnet. Connect UNISET Wallet. Refresh the testnet page, click on Connect BTC Wallet, and select UNISET. If any error pops up, go to Settings, select the Bitcoin testnet, and ensure you're using the Taproot address. Connect MetaMask. Install the MetaMask extension, connect it, and agree to the terms. Switch between BTC and Ethereum networks as required. Getting testnet BTC. Next, you'll need some testnet BTC for the airdrop. Click on the faucet link in the description and enter your address to claim up to 0.05 BTC. If it doesn't work, try other faucet options provided. Mint and stake YU tokens. Once you've connected the wallets and claimed your BTC, it's time to mint and stake YU tokens. Here's how. Go to the MetaMint YU section, enter the amount you want to mint, e.g. 0.0004 BTC for YU, and approve the transaction in MetaMask. Once minted, click on Stake YU. For every YU token staked, you'll earn 0.01 berries token per hour. These berries tokens can be converted into YU tokens later. Earning more berries. To increase your berries points, you can check in daily to earn streak rewards, follow YALA on Twitter, and like or retweet their recent posts to earn additional berries. Ranking and rewards. The more berries you accumulate, the higher your ranking will be. Users ranked in the top 10,000 will receive additional rewards, so keep participating and boosting your rank. Final steps. After completing all the steps, check your transaction history and ensure that your YU tokens are staked. Don't miss out on this early project, as there are great rewards for those who participate now. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more exciting airdrop opportunity.